Hi guys, this is the first video I've made for YouTube, so bear with me. I'm just showing you a collection of little lads Nerf guns that I've sprayed up. I think they look quite good. See what you'll think of them. Obviously I haven't sprayed that one up there just at the minute. It is his Recon CS6 that I've sprayed up. Red Tiger. Zoom out there for you. Complete with silencer, red laser dot. You can strip it down. I'll show you. Just hold camera straight. Just 2 seconds a minute. There we are. You can strip it down. And if you wanted to, put your silencer on there, like so. And there you have. Nice little tiny little gun. I'll zoom out so you can see it full. There you are. Silencer as well. And mix and match. Now this one is his brother's gun, which I've sprayed, which is the Night Finder. Zoom in. Brushed metal. Also on this one I've put, for him being a little boy, he likes his lights, so I've put little lights on, LED lights, so when he pulls trigger it flashes. That's his Night Finder. I've also got another Night Finder, all been modded as well. Springs have been stretched and air suppressors have been taken out. Camo one, snow camo. Same as that one, but obviously that wasn't got a light on it. It's got a light on the front, which is normal. I've left the orange bit as it is, because obviously when you pull it backwards and forwards it does start peeling paint off, so I thought I'd best leave it as it is. So that's the snow camo one. Now the Maverick, which I've done the same with that, brush metalled it. I've glossed varnished it as well, and it all works. There's nothing sticking. I've also, if I come out a little bit, I've put some skulls underneath. And if I turn it round, I have done the full barrel. If you bear with me, there we are. Full barrel extension. I didn't want to take the barrel out completely and put it like some people do, so I think it spoils the gun, so I've just extended it so the barrel can come out completely. There you are. Nice tidy bit of kit. And that's also got the air suppressors taken out. Here we've got the shotgun version, which is the Raider, which is Blue Tiger. Also air suppressor has been taken out. I haven't done the magazine yet, the barrel magazine. I've just done the cartridge, sprayed it, did that brush metal. So I think that's turned out pretty nice. Done that shiny gloss as well. And the last one which I have done is a minigun. I'll just get it over for you. Yeah. It's the mini, so I zoom out because it's blooming massive, is this one. Minigun. Also sprayed. I think this is Air Zone, I think that's what it is, Air Zone. And it works perfectly. I just turn it on. There we are. It works perfect. Sprayed it all up. I'm quite happy with the colours. Zoom down for you. There you are. Obviously left that bit orange. so it doesn't stick with the paint. I've done this as a matte varnish, so it gives it that dull look, so it makes it look a bit older. Turn it round. And there you have a collection of little lads' Nerf guns. I hope you enjoy them. Next time I'll try and do a better video. I'm using my mobile phone at the minute because the camera's broke. Okay. Any questions, just post them up. Cheers, thank you. Bye now.